Chicago Football Newsroom. I'm Kevin Fishbane. He's Arthur Arkish. Free agency is just around the corner, March 10th. And Arthur, we've talked a lot about Lance Briggs and Charles Tillman, but let's discuss a couple of the other Bears free agents because we're going to have a free agent spotlight series on our website coming up. And Stephen Paea is probably the biggest name who is most likely to find a way to back if at the right price and if he can fit in that Vic Fangio scheme.
Yeah, we'll see. I expect him to have outside suitors, his ideal position probably in a 4-3, but I think the more we learn about the Vic Fangio scheme, one gappers can work, guys who can push the pocket can work. That's exactly what Stephen Paea did. He was arguably their best interior rusher last year.
Yeah, his best career season. A couple other names we're going to talk about. Brian De La Fuente, who some thought was going to be the center of the future, had that injury. Bears did re-sign Roberto Garza. He's someone that you think they should consider bringing back.
Yeah, I think so. Roberto Garza is going to be 35 years old. Brian De La Fuente really held up well early last season before he suffered the knee injury. Good athlete. I think he fits what they want to do. Ryan Pace has some experience with him, and it's a good contingency plan if nothing else.
A few other names we're going to talk about. Sheriff McManus has been a special teams ace for this team for a long time, and Daryl Sharpton can play 4-3 or 3-4 linebacker, but has always battled injuries. He did play very well against the Falcons last year, so be sure to stick to our website, chicagofootball.com, for all the best Bears free agent news.